accounting is an innovation that has been absolutely world-changing. I mean, it really made the modern world, arguably. It started in the 1400s in Florence, and that's when you had the Medicis, primarily were the big banking family, and because they understood the secret sauce of double entry bookkeeping, right, where you have a credit and a debit, and these things have to balance out, that allowed them to become, that technology allowed them to be the powerhouse of Europe, and allow for all these bills of trade and all that kind of stuff to make commerce work. They made a ton of money on that, and rightfully so. It was a brilliant innovation. It's like the Google of its day or something, right? And to this day, we still do that same type of accounting. And arguably, then what happened was, okay, so 1400s, they made all this money in Florence. In 1452, the Ottoman Empire finally ran through Constantinople, which was the last vestige of the Roman Empire. That's where all the philosophers and the great books were. A lot of those people escaped with these manuscripts. A lot of them ended up at the court of Cosimo de' Medici, and he made a Platonic Academy, brought all these people in, created a library. It was the first time that in Western Europe, since the fall of Rome in 400, that they'd see all these books and suddenly realize this sort of humanism, right? That through philosophy and through that humans were actually capable of a lot of stuff. At that time, it was all religion. It was just God and humans were down here. And it basically started the Renaissance. And the Renaissance was the engine of the Enlightenment, and the Enlightenment is the engine of us. So you could arguably say that accounting is an inflection point that created the modern world, and it's a legitimate thread that you can take through history.